guys, in this video I will teach you about how to export data from Odoo to QuickBooks. For that you have to open your connector app. You have to add your server instance followed by QBD. Then you have to try test connection. Once the connection is established, you will get a pop-up message like this. Then you have to go to the second panel, and here are the functionality all available for exporting data from Odoo to QuickBooks. You have to just click on the functionality to export raw data. Let's try this account. As you can see, my export has been done successfully account. So let's try a customer. As you can see, my export customer has been done successfully. So in this way, you can do anything you want to export from Odoo to QuickBooks. And here are all the functionality. Thank you.